Hello, dear all, particularly students, boys and girls. Today, our session will be how to write a review. At first, what is a review? What are the features of a review? And finally, the samples available to make you understand what is a review. A review is a detailed and structured evaluation of work, product, or a service. It usually includes analysis, critique, and often a summary of the reviewer's experience. Now, how to write a review? What structure should we follow in writing a review? We start like this with the introduction. Of course, in the introduction, we set the scene, mention the name of the author or the director, the type of the book or the film, and the setting, and so on, a background about the topic you need to discuss. Then, if it is a film, a book, a video, a play, you have paragraph one to be like the plot. The plot which summarizes the main incidents, the main ideas in the film, the book, and so on. Now, the second paragraph will be general comments. In the general comments, you mention the style, the cast, the ideas, the characters, and so on. And finally, you conclude by mentioning the conclusion. In the conclusion, you mainly mention a kind of recommendation, your thoughts, your opinion about the book, the film, the video, whatever. Now, there is a certain language we need to concentrate on when we are writing a review. A review is a personal matter. So what you say about the film, the book, whatever, is okay according to your points of view, according to your understanding. Now we have here a lot of samples. When I say, for example, here, uh, a review with a plot or without a plot. With a plot, if it is a film, a book, a video, a play. Without a plot, this is when you are visiting a mall, for example, a school, the zoo, or so on, you are asked to write a review. Here we don't have a plot. So your introduction will be about the 5 Ws. And then the main body, paragraph one, will be general idea about the place, the park, the show, the course, whatever. Of course, you see what this place offers or the facilities you could enjoy or who you met there or what happened. And then another paragraph about general comments. Maybe you mention the positive and the negative if there are any negative points. And of course, you will finish by mentioning the recommendation about this. A review, as we should know, is a personal matter, so it depends on what you could understand, what you could do. Out of the tips out of Cambridge, tips for writing a review. It's concerning the language and the organization. Now, here, a review should inform, describe, analyze, and advise. Uh, Concerning the organization, a review should include information about what's being reviewed, clear opinions and interesting points about the film, final opinion, and possibly provide a rating. Here I provide you with many samples, either previous exams or uh, exams set by me. Now here, as you see, a sample of a review. Uh, you recently saw a film. you have now decided to write a review of the film for the school magazine. And here we have the points. What is required? Write a review of the film, giving your views. This is the sample written and the mark approved by Cambridge. 10 out of 12, 5 out of 6, and 5 out of 6. We have many samples, as you see. There is, for example, this is a book review about The Hound of Baskervilles. Such samples will help you to understand what is a review and to help you also to get a good mark. These are very, very important samples written by brilliant students. If you read them well, of course, they will help you in the exam, either in any boards you are going to be tested on. So it's important to read such samples in order to be ready for the exam to write a review, either, as I told you, a review with a plot or a review without a plot. This is a review, the final sample here. It's an exam for grade 6, I think. Now, here, as you see, write a review of a game, book, music, film, or TV program you particularly enjoy. As you can see here, your review should, I have to read the points well, and then you have to plan for the review and to write the review in order to get the mark you are dreaming of. I hope that I could introduce the review in a very brief type of explanation. When you are reading every page or when you are trying to understand every point here, everything will be clear for you. For any comments, please write your comments to help us understand what you could understand and what you couldn't. Thank you.